So now we have seen till now enterprise structure, definition and assignments, and partner determination and BP partners creation and customers. And we have seen material master creation on a brief and shipping point determination. Let's do one thing. Let me try to create document architecture in S4HANA. It's very simple. Like you have a customer, assume that the document type is order. Okay, the business documents, different kind of business documents are there. We'll discuss later. Let's try to understand this. The document type is order. So architecture means like it is going to control by certain fields. If it is sales order, then it should be order. If it is written order, it should be in different manner. If it is free of charge order, different manner. If it is credit memo, different manner, like that. Let's try to understand what is this architecture. Suppose you have a customer called IT102. Okay, so this IT102, we have created this customer. Assume that he order this material of 50 boxes. Okay, so this material, each box is assumed at 100 euros. Okay, 50 into 100. Okay, so that means 5,000 euros total order cost. Okay, so when he orders, definitely he needs a delivery, right? So assume that the document type is OR for this. We have used. Okay, let's keep it here. Orders 50 boxes. Okay, and delivery means you're supposed to deliver to the customer address, and PCI means post goods issue, and finally you do the bill. Okay, billing. Probably if you see for order, the document type is OR in SAP standard. So for delivery, you have a document type called LF. PCI is a part of your delivery document creation, and your billing is standard document is F2. So how this order will be controlled? What kind of sales documents we have? That and all talks about your SAP ECC also similar way. Okay. So what are all the document? What are all the document types? What are all the various stages you have? Okay. For example, if you need these 50 boxes of the product, in certain cases, he will inquire. Okay. So the document type is IN in SAP standard. So after that, he will receive the quotation. Suppose if you are buying a laptop, okay, he will take one quotation from Dell from 2 to 3 shops. You take one quotation from what I would say outside shop. If you go for Acer and if you go for Apple, like that, whatever the product and configuration and specification when it is supposed to be delivered, and every details will be available in your quotation. Once you inquire about the product is available. That is called QT. Okay, and after that, you'll convert this into order. This is called legal document. Okay, so after inquiry, you might not require a quotation. Inquiry, the product is not available, you don't give the quotation from that shop. Okay, suppose inquiry is done and quotation done. So when you are taking order, then you have decided in your mind you would like to buy this product. Okay, that is called order. And after that, delivery, and after that, billing. Okay, so if you divide these two parts, this part is called, let me try to match this part of documents is called pre-sales documents. I think ECC guys aware of all these things. So this part is called your post-sales documents. Okay, post-sales documents. Okay, so you have a pre-sales document, you have post-sales documents. All put together, we will call it as document architecture. Okay, so like ECC also same story, and S4 also same story. If you find any differences, we'll get to know. Okay, but this is specifically we drive on S4 HANA system. Okay, this is pre-sales document. These are post-sales documents. Let's try to create this cycle on S4 HANA system. Before doing that, uh, let me try to give some understandability. So, like these are optional documents. Every business don't require. Especially this is um, these are like old processes, but still most of the companies using in real time from quotation to here. But if still your customer, if requirement is there for inquiry also, it is there. But 75% of the projects starts from order to billing, and some 85 to 90 projects start from quotation to here. Some projects around 5% inquiry to billing, they will give the requirement. It's not a big deal. So, but these are two optional documents. But whereas if you go to certain industry like spare parts and lift manufacturing, these kind of projects, so your quotation has a value. Quotation can be like a legal document sometimes. Okay, so it process changes vice versa according to the client requirement. That we will discuss, and when you try to work in real time, you get to know all these things. Okay, let's try to go back to the S4 HANA. Okay, let's come here. So now if you come here, logistics, and if you come here, sales and distribution, let's go to the sales. You can see inquiry VA11 is for create, VA12 is for change, and VA13 quotation, VA21. This is transaction code. If you are already from ECC background, it's fine. Otherwise, there is no issue. I'll explain. So then, if you come here, this is VA01, VA02, VA03. These transactions in S4 HANA from 1511 to now it is now 2020 and 21 is also coming in future. These transactions are not at all changed. All these are the similar. The only thing what he introduced with S4, like he attached this transaction. If you go for, there is one module called Enterprise Portal that is almost decommissioned, but still few old clients using 10 years ago, 10 to 15 years ago, that was training to see your SAP screens in browsing. In the similar way, now we got Fury screens. So now if you want to create a order, either your mobile or else tab or else somewhere else electronic device, if you'd like to use it, you can able to use the Fury. Okay, this is all about this one. Let's go back. Let's try to understand the document architecture today. Okay, now go to the configuration, SPRO, reference IMG. Let's come here. So this is one of the key topic which starts with sales and distribution. Let's go to the sales and distributions. Come to the sales. You can see sales function, sales documents, and sales document header. Okay, what is the sales document header and item and schedule as? Let's try to go back to here. So basically, your document architecture is divided into two parts. One data is called header data. Second one is item data. Third one is schedule line data. Okay, these are the three different parts we have. Okay, so let me try to create one sales order. Let's see, VA01 is a transaction. Okay, so here if I'm taking standard document type what is that? Let's press enter. Let's try to give this customer. Okay, that is a warning message. So I'm just taking material which you have seen in Excel. Okay, so don't worry about this. This is one of the functionality called availability check. That has a differences when you compare with ECC versus S4 HANA. Okay, if you see here, this part is called header, top part. How do we come to know? If you come here, okay, go to, this is called a header. You have all these tabs in header level. Sales data, that means certain fields which is required for your sales order processing, shipping, billing, electronic payments, okay, billing plan, accounting, partner, purchase data, additional A, okay, additional functions, additional B, okay. All these are similar like in your ECC. So I can click here to find the different tabs: sales, shipping, billing documents, electronic payments, accounting, okay, conditions, account assignments, partners, text, order data, okay. Like that you can find the different fields. So this is called header data. In a similar way, if you go to the more, again go to, if you come to the item, you can find the data which is available in header. Every data won't be available at item level. In the similar way, every data won't be available at header level. Some common fields available at a header level and item level. So that's why you will have the similar kind of tabs you have, including additional A and additional B here. Okay, that's it. So this is header and item. Now click here. If you come here, within item only, there is one more tab available for your schedule lines. Okay, so let's see this. This is called item level data. Okay, all items. It starts from here. If you see here, it is basically controlled by two parameters. One is item category through item category determination, and second one is this tab is available through schedule and category determination. We'll get into the details slowly one by one, because if you have background of ECC, there is nothing to worry. Have some patience. We'll get into the concepts one by one. Okay, this is all about your header data and the item data. Now what we can see, we'll try to understand the configuration of header data. Okay, so let's go to SPRO, okay, reference IMG. So you come here, sales and distribution, okay. In that sales, you have a sales document header. In next session, we try to understand what is sales document header. We'll see how many parts it will come. We'll try to understand one by one. Okay, that's it for document architecture introduction. We'll get back to you.